Gachantri. And my name is Harsraj. Our dream is not that which you see. When sleeping, it is something that does not let you sleep. APJ Abdul Kalam, respected principal sir, beloved vice principal madam, our loving HM ma'am, hardworking teachers and my dear friends. With great respect and your blessing, with the students of grade 2B are going to start today's morning assembly. A pledge is the best way to show our love and respect for our nation. So let's invite Abhinav Krishna to administer the all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And inspiring thoughts can inspire up our day. A new thought in the morning works like fuel, which keep us smiling and encouraging throughout the day. So let's inspire us with the thought here's the Aristotle. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts by Winston Churchill. Thank you. Stay updated about the world is news reading. So let's welcome Srihari and Anvita. National news. China said to ease zero COVID rules after wave of protest. The police deploy high-tech surveillance tools to crush protest. Letter bomb defused at US Embassy. 5 similar devices sent across Spain in 2 days. Spain has stepped up security and vowed not to be deterred from supporting Ukraine. Pakistan seeks 30 to 40% discount on crude. Russia says no. Indian oil companies have managed to import oil at discount from Russia even at the peak of the crisis. Now some national news. What's the compelling need for GM Masters? Asked Supreme Court to government. Centre responded that hybrid crops are required to double the yield in 5 to 10 years. Winter likely to be warmer in the parts of North India, says IMD. Core cold zones, however, may face below normal temperature with colder nights. We focus on creating consensus on key global issues, says Jaishankar. Calling it a historic moment, India on Thursday formally assumed the G20 presidency from Indonesia. The first day marked a special event titled G20 University Connects, engaging young minds with student participants from 75 universities across the country. Now over to Srihari Prabhu for the state sports and weather reports.
Thank you, Anvita. Now some sport news. French Federation files complaint over disallowed goal. Mexico beats Saudi Arabia in 2-1 but falls short at World Cup. FIFA World Cup. Argentina beats Poland in 2-0 to qualify for R16. Moving on to some state news. Isolated rainfall likely in Kerala for next 5 days due to cyclonic circulation in South Andaman Sea. Kerala will be free from fresh HIV cases by 2025, says Veena George. Government allows 1,800 crores to distribute welfare pension of 2 months before Christmas. Today's weather news. Today's minimum degree Celsius is 24 and maximum degree Celsius is 30. That's all for today's news. Thank you. Have a nice day.
For updating us with the current happening around the world, a person who learns a word a day is smarter and wiser than the rest.
Indian Armed Forces, the backbone of Indian security. I shall repeat the topic, Indian Armed Forces, the backbone of Indian security. Because 4th of December is the Navy Day. In the watercolor competition that has been conducted by the Kochi Cooperative Bank Limited, and I request Principal Sir to hand over the trophy to Master Yadu Krishna Sir.
Indeed, the assembly was very good, presented by class 2B. Already